What is good, YouTube? I am cooking super late, so I need to get it together, but I need to let the shrimp marinate. I'm doing like a stir fry with some rice. This is gonna be quick, y'all. We need to let the shrimp marinate, so we gotta put some soy sauce in here. That's probably too much soy sauce. It is what it is. We're gonna do some slap your mama. All right, some onion powder. Sorry, I had to do a intro for a short video on the same recipe. Some garlic powder. It's really hard trying to operate with one hand. All right, some chili powder. A little bit. And a little bit of red chili pepper flakes. That's enough. And then I don't know if I put my onion salt in here, but onion salt.
My Russia family is the ultimate family.
It's coming out really slow.
Are you cooking shrimp?
Yes.
Seasoned?
Yes.
Why are you putting seasoning on it?
Didn't I tell you to stop something like that?
I'm sorry.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
Alright, and we are going to mix all of that together. And the seasoning and the soy sauce, and it is going to marinate. It's supposed to marinate for 30 minutes. Hopefully by that time, y'all, my rice is done and cooled off enough to do like the whole stir fry portion. But my behind thought it was cool to wait this long to, you know, start cooking, because I was finishing up the kitchen so I can get this video out to y'all. And I did. Video is done. So yeah. And we just let it do its thing and sit there and marinate in that. Alright, y'all, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our jasmine rice on. I did get some jasmine rice. It is on and it's just cooking. So we're gonna let that do its thing while this shrimp is marinating. As you guys can see, TK have more pork chops. And he already ate. I just need to eat. So yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed that kitchen reveal video. I know it took forever, but it's out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, y'all. So I put the rice together with the peas and carrots and my eggs and soy sauce. So it also has you add together this oyster sauce. I don't even know what this tastes like. Little curious as to what it tastes like. I don't know. But you're supposed to add this in as well with the soy sauce. So all right, y'all, so this is what the finished product looks like. We got our stir fry with our shrimp on top. I wanted to get this on video because it looks like so perfect and picturesque this way before I started digging into it and, you know, making a plate. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like right now. It does, you can top it off with yum sauce, y'all, and that's what I have to top it off with. But this is what it looks like. I reserved some of the juice from the shrimp, and I also added it into the stir fry, so that's what you guys see over there. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just mixed everything in as far as the rice, 5 eggs, the carrots, and then the peas. Mixed that in until it became all nice and mixed in, and then added the shrimp on top, as you guys can see. And then the last thing you wanted to add was some extra soy sauce, and then the oyster sauce. And this is what I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, you guys, I will see you later.